Hi. Hey, let's work on the hiragana symbol A. First, we'll learn to write A by tracing. Then we'll look at some words that use A. Ari, which means ant or ants. Akai, which means red. And aruku, which means walk or walks. Finally, we'll make a short sentence with the words we learned. Akai ari ga aruku, which means red ant walks, or red ants walk. Remember, you can always print out these hiragana practice sheets by clicking on A on the hiragana practice chart at fushigiland.com. At first, A may look like some kind of weird pretzel. But if you're Japanese, it's something like the letter A in the alphabet. Now when you write Japanese, the order you write strokes is important. Also, the direction you write each stroke is important too. Let's take a look at how to write A. The first stroke, stroke number 1, starts on the left and goes to the right. Stroke 2 starts at the top and goes down. Stroke 3, that sort of looks like half a pretzel, starts just below stroke 1 and curls back around to the bottom. Let's take a look at that again. Stroke 1, stroke 2, stroke 3. Got that? Okay, now you can try tracing it a few times on your own before we move on to the words. Now might be a good time to pause the video and practice tracing. Okay, now let's look at the words. First is the word for ant. A-di. A-di. Ari, ari. In Japanese, ari can mean one ant, can mean two ants, or it can mean a bunch of ants. Ari. Next, we have the word for the color red. A, ka, I. A, ka, I. Akai, akai. Finally is our action word for walk. A, du, ku. A, du, ku. Aruku, aruku. Once more. Ari, akai, aruku. Ari, akai, aruku. It helps to say the words out loud. Remember, it doesn't hurt to try words out with your Japanese friend, too. Our A practice sentence is Akai ari ga aruku. Akai ari ga aruku. Say it with me a few times. Akai ari ga aruku. Akai ari ga aruku. Akai ari ga aruku. In Japanese sentences, you'll find a lot of connector type words. Usually, these connectors are attached to the end of a word. To make it a little easier to understand, we'll separate connectors and color them gray for the time being. Ari, or and, is the main word in our sentence. In English, we might say the ant, or an ant, to emphasize the main word. Well, in Japanese, we use ga, and it is attached to the end of the main word. Let's try it again a couple of times. Akai ari ga aruku. A little quicker. Akai ari ga aruku. Akai ari ga aruku. Okay, do you get it? Well, that's the end of this lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you back here practicing some more hiragana symbols. See you later.